Jaguar automatic AC vents. First of all, remove the wall duct from the car body. After that, there is the silver frame. Remove that silver frame, simple push lock. After that, there is a black body. Hold on 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove all 4 screws and separate the black body. There is a motor on a side of vent, support on 3 screws. Remove all 3 screws and separate the motor. There is a white part which connect motor and wall automatic AC vents assembly. Remove that broken part. You have also seen on video how they broken out or fade out or wear out. We have its repair part same like, but we have an extra grip and extra support. Match the grip and simple push to fit. Now mesh the motor, pentagon male and our repair parts. There is a pentagon shape. Match both sides and fix the motor. Tighten the screw. And see how the working is complete. And if you face higher problem regarding any parts, comment in comment section. We will try to research and make video on it.